Operation move driver stand from there to there, and then build new driver stand. Because this guy's a little tall. This is going to be the crew hangout, is what we're going to call this guy. Driver stand. Club hangout, actually. No driver stand. Getting this thing clean. How long has it been? It's been a minute now. It's been a long time.
So that was a f***ing lie.
And the corner. Nice crooked line. But, good enough.
Oh, we're digging.
Dirty digger.
All the pipe is up. Driver stand area is getting fully landscaped. Bigger jump right there. All the pipes starting over here for right now. I mean, Matt cleared it all. I asked for big jumps, but I didn't. Okay. Send it.
Where are we at, guys?
Lowe's, the hardware store. The pro Lowe's.
At the rear, as always. Was that cart placed there for you guys?
Yeah.
We had already put this here.
And you get a complimentary tape measure.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it for putting the right around there? Okay, that's why it was left.
And that's why we leave this one here.
We leave this one.
Okay.
Another one has been located.
It's moving. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's moving.
You lined them up in the frame.
We only want 10s. 10s only in this house.
There is the
$10 a piece.
Oh, no, wait, never mind. That one already doesn't have the tread on it. Period.
Is this the Lowe's dad pose?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Lift with your legs.
on my butt. Hey, this one's good.
Oh, damn it. Here, let's put it on the bottom. $60.
Really loaded down here.
Today, I'm about to get more.
You think it's going to tip over?
No.
I really hope not.
These are just... You gotta like blur that out. Since Quade's scared of things, I'll just do the thing for him. It's,
What are we looking for?
Longer ones of these.
Mmm.
Too many burnouts.
Alright, how you want? Bring closer. Turn in.
Can't do it or no, because we got two at the house, so it's 13. Is that? Yep. All right, I like it. Oh, everybody's got it. My butt. Oh, what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
We're gonna back up.
Okay, strategic plan. I like it. I like. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. You guys are great. How many others we need? They don't weigh that much.
Thanks for adding weight.
Beep, 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 beep. I thought I told you no jacking off on the job. Literally. Even Richard Petty agrees. Jenny Kesney. Wait, it's me. I'm Jenny Kesney.
Hi, Jenny Gesney. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing? That did not work so well. Do you like my giddy up attire? Pretty good today. Pretty good. We're in South Carolina, so I had to do it. Top of the morning to all you ladies. Hope you're having a beautiful time watching this video. This did not work, so we're gonna have to get the kids here because it did not work. No hole. Water.
Sucks. What might we have to scoop it?
With Stanley Cup.
There you go.
Whoa, there, I got that one. A little slick there.
How much water does it say to put in?
I think a gallon a bag. Was it a gallon a bag?
Just trying to go out of toes.
Okay. All right, guys, we're doing our first track walk before we race out here. Just kind of feeling out the terrain, feeling out all the bumps, all the dumps, or seeing how big the jumps are, you know, walking the jumps, finding the ruts in the jumps so we don't rest our car up driving over them. Just doing our first track walk for our big race today, you know. Y'all got a big rut right here. This track walk might be a fail. Oh, look at this. Look at this. You got a wall ride. Wow, this track is great. This is water supply progress 30 minutes later. And the Great Wall of Racing. We did it! We did it, boys! We've unlocked track expansion #1. Took us a long time to get here. Had to win a bunch of races, get all the points, get all the stars, do X, X, Y, by B, C, R2, hit the cheat code. We've unlocked track expansion #1, and it is super sick. All jokes aside, track is getting expanded. We are going probably about another 15, 20 foot over to help give us more room. We were going from about where the driver's stand was right to this pole. As you can see, the other racing line. So we've extended this out, probably added additional 2 lanes back here, depending on how we want to do this, build a wall, whatever we want to do. It's going to be great. We also have a pond, so this will be pond #2. So we have 2 sources of water to help water the track, keep the track nice and wet, make sure that it keeps the dust down and keeps the racing pristine. We personally, freely acquired a golf cart. That's the quality race cart that we all needed. Oh, look, it's Matt.
Back up here. All right.
Number 2 coming in.
Yeah, you're just hovering on these posts over here.
Mm-hmm.
They're not even touching it.
Well, it's got a good view.
Dude, I think this is perfect.
It's got a really good view. Look at the tactical assault golf cart. Driver stand, half braced, half ready to rock and roll. Building the staircases next, and then we're on to the track. Because it is supposed to rain a lot. All right, boys, that's going to wrap this one up. All in all, I told you we were coming back bigger. I told you we were coming back better. I told you the first layout was just a little sneak peek, just a little feeler, a slight taste, not even an appetizer. Tore all the jumps out, took all the pipe up, tore the driver stand down. Well, technically didn't tear the driver stand down, moved the driver stand over, and redid the whole track, and it is going to be awesome. I'm really excited to get us all out there, get us all driving, get us all practicing on it, getting to know the lines, figuring out where the sweet spots are, figuring out what we need to change, all this stuff. I'm ready to get some more dirt laid down, get some jumps out there, and start freaking ripping. Boys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Help get this video out there to more people. Spread the word, share the link, share this video, share our posts on social media. Get this out here. We want to have an awesome grand opening race, shooting for certain date that I can't tell you yet. Stay tuned, boys. Keep watching. I love you. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. If you're feeling a little frisky, hit that notification bell. I love you guys. I can't wait to show you what's coming next. See you later.